All right, good morning, guys. So we are with Casey Poole in front of his 1966 on a 2005 chassis Ford F100. This thing is one of the most custom-made vehicles I've ever seen. Casey, tell us a little bit about your truck.
Well, it's a 66 F100 on a 2005 F250 chassis. It's got a 6-liter power stroke. It's on full air ride as well. Inside, there are King Ranch seats and the full 2005 F250 interior. Well, the front is 3-linked on air ride. I built both the upper and lower mounts, and I needed something to fill in the fenders, and I could not use the 2005 F250 liners or the 66 F100 liners, so I had to make some out of license plates. I'm sure I pissed off a lot of people ruining a bunch of those plates with screws and bolts.
Oh, that's great. Where did you get all the plates from?
I've been collecting them for quite some time. There's a plate on the other side that's from 1924.
Over here? Oh,
No, it's right here. Sorry.
1924. Wow. The rims are beautiful. Where'd you get the rims?
Through some trade deals.
Okay. Yeah. So tell us a little bit about the interior of the truck.
Well, the dash and stuff came with the donor truck, and I bought the seats on Facebook Marketplace.
Okay. All right. So the dash, what was the time frame? Like how many man hours did it take you to rip the
Some crazy time in that because I had to shorten it, I think, 4 inches overall. So I had to pull the cover off, pull the crash bar out, pull all the wiring out, shorten the crash bar, put the dash in, and shorten the actual dash pad. But everything lined up as far as steering and brakes and all that stuff. There's still heat. There could be AC if there was a condenser, but there's not space for a condenser.
Yeah, let's go around. Tell us a little bit about the air conditioner of this truck.
So way back in the 60s, Thermador used to make those air conditioners. That is a repop. I tried to find a Thermador original one, and they are about $1,800 online. So I found that one. Somebody makes those kind of local, and I paid $200 for it. And it actually does work. You can feel a 20-30 degree difference if you fill it with water and you're cruising down the road.
Do you ever take this thing to like car shows or anything?
Yeah, last truck show I took it to, I won an award. I was like top 5 of the show.
It's so cool. All right, so thank you, Casey, for showing us your truck. This thing is absolutely awesome. This thing is a beast. So do you want to give a shout out, or where can people find you?
There's a bunch of TikTok videos. If you follow my TikTok, it's Casey_Poole.
Thank you so much. Make sure you reach out. TikTok, Casey Poole. Thank you so much, Casey. It's a pleasure. It's really nice to meet you. Thank you for watching. And as always, have a good morning.